Hi everyone, welcome to DiVisFashionDiary. In this video, I'll be showing you different patterns of nail art. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates. So friends, on this channel, you will be finding more helpful videos about fashion. So stay tuned. I think so you like all these nail art. Try it by yourself and make yourself gorgeous on your parties and also for your functions. For more videos, please stay tuned so you can update yourself in fashion. So friends, if you are in need of any new topic, then mention that in comments. So in future, I can make video on that topic. Meet you in next beautiful video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.